Happy Thursday, all. Today is Thursday, August 7th, and we are just 3 days away from the Cincy Mega Open House. So what are your plans this weekend? Are you going to have an open house, holding your listing open, or perhaps someone else's? So if you're thinking about doing an open house today, tomorrow, great days to make that selection. Set the time, get your sign writers out, and get ready for a super mega open house weekend. So, what are some things that you can do to ensure that you, one, have people show up? Well, you got to do some pre-marketing. So you need to pick the property, select the hours, post it in the Cincinnati MLS, and then start posting on social media. Invite everybody you know, whether it's your Facebook page, your LinkedIn page, or some other social media favorite that you have. Post early, post often. Yes, because you're going to want to have people there. 2, use signs, lots of signs, not just the sign writer that goes into. If you can put an extra sign up, do it. If you can put up directional signs, again, put up as many as you can, as early and as often as you can. Understand there are HOA rules and that you may need to follow, so be aware of that. But take advantage of all the opportunities you have to market your open house, because you want to ensure that people get there. The day of the house, try an open feather flag. Yes, they're available online at Amazon.com. Not only that, you could even do a red carpet walkway if you're really wanting to go full force, and a new welcome mat. Sometimes I've walked up to homes, there's no mat to wipe your feet, or it's a bad looking welcome mat. So improve the welcome mat. Inexpensive, reusable. Watch for visitors. Open the door in anticipation of their approaching the front door. Make this sign in easy. Yes, you can use your favorite CRM if that has an extension, or there is a free app online called Curb Hero. Curb Hero allows you to have the ability to allow people to sign in, and it records the information that they provide. Use directional signs throughout the property, guiding people from room to room, place to place. Have soft music playing in the background, and provide copies of the Home Buyer Guide and Home Seller Guide. You may not only have home buyers, you could have home sellers who are coming to the open house interviewing you. In fact, always be aware you're always being interviewed. So, have a home buyer, home seller guide. If you don't have those to give away, why don't you provide a QR code that will take people to your website and or to the PDF to download that they can download at their own time. And then think about having a gift bag takeaway. Just an inexpensive gift bag with a flyer of the property, perhaps a water bottle, enhanced with a label with your information, as well as a wrapped snack. Something they can take out of the house and not eat in the house. Give it to them on their way out. And the third tip to make a successful open house: follow up, follow up, follow up. The key to any business is follow up, follow up, follow up. Until they give you a restraining order, follow up. So I wish you the best this weekend, whether you're holding an open house, showing houses, or something else. Have a fabulous weekend, but take advantage of the Cincy Mega Open House weekend this Sunday, August 10th. Have a good one. Bye.